How can chiropractic care help treat athletes such as runners and golfers?
All right, first I'll start with the runners. We treat runners, especially with knees. So same thing. We put them through our inside edge program, and we evaluate their movement patterns. And with runners, we tend to find that their glute muscles are weak, and which are affecting their knees, and also their tightness in their calf muscles and their shin muscles, which will affect their shins. Have a lot of shin splints due to poor ankle mobility, ankle movement mobility in their ankles, and they're not proper support in their feet. So we treat a lot of runners and just evaluating them and making sure that they have proper movement patterns and that their muscles are functioning and firing properly throughout their whole instruction when they're running. We also evaluate them while they're running to make sure they have the proper mechanics when they're running, so they're getting the most out of their body when they're running. So the better you're functioning, the better you're moving, the better you'll perform. And the same thing with golfers. We treat a lot of golfers, especially that got patients. I think my oldest patient that's a golfer is, I think she's about 85, 87. And the goal with our golfers is to keep them flexible. Because a lot of golfers, as they get older, they tend not to focus on keeping their body in condition. So like this winter has been great for golfers because they're able to get out, but they're not doing the proper conditioning to prepare their bodies to withstand going out golfing. So, and golfing is a very physical and demanding sport, and if you don't have the proper flexibility and endurance to do that, you're going to lead yourself to more injuries. You see a lot of golfers with back injuries, shoulder injuries, and upper back injuries due to the lack of range of motion when they're in their hamstrings and their hip flexors and their chest muscles and upper back muscles. So with golfers, we tend to want to increase their mobility and their flexibility, and also their strength in their legs. And so we get a lot of good results with golfers just by getting them to move better and get a little stronger.